Alright, good morning. First target in the 70s. I think it's going to be a button. That's where we're heading to today, and this is junk. Old house tore down, but yep, I'm pretty sure it's going to be made in London. Something like that anyway. She's all out of whack. Slick on the air side. Pretty typical for him, but that's cool. I'll take that. Nice hole. Alright, hit a 85 here. Just hit a 80, 82 over there a while ago. Dug down about 16 inches. And a shiny pull tab. I've done only about 6 inches here, and I have shiny. Right over here, you probably can't see it. I've got my camera out thinking that's going to be a coin, and it is. It's a silver coin. This could be the first real. Could be a flowing hair. This is awesome. Didn't expect any silver over here because this was not a place for silver. That's a real. There's the edge. Is that a hole? Yeah. The other side. 85. And it was struggling to get an 85. Even that shallow. Well, that's rubbed off. There's the crown. We have Spanish real here. Whoop whoop. There's a 43. I'm pretty certain that's a two-piece button back. It's clean, so I'm thinking that the rest of that button's still in here somewhere. So, let's see what we got. I haven't checked. It could still be down here in the hole. The 88 here. Took me a little bit to find this one. It was funky. You can see all the dirt everywhere. I dumped it. I threw the shovel over here and I seen something right there. Look at that. Is that another real? Right there. Is it? Nope. Just beyond that, a smaller ball. Let's see what we got here. 57, 58. I think it's going to be enough ultra tack. It's been old one. Let's say this place burnt in the early 1900s. I think they just spread everything around from what it seems. Alright. Then in the midst of this crud again. I mean, yeah, fun. Oh, there's a penny in here. They're crazy. Oh, it's just really thick packed on the back. That's wheat. Hopefully that's good enough. As you can see something. Yeah, there we go. There's a no, it's not a mosquito. Say it was cold this morning, 30 something. Alright, let's keep moving on. Yeah, you think I put anything on this shovel? I get to them roots. Dang, there's a bunch of them down there too, but so I wonder what that could have been. Size broke. It's lead. Huh. Don't know. Interesting, huh? Put that in the pocket. Yeah. So we want to be a metal detector. Yeah. I don't know what was going on with that, but cellar hole right over here. It's not the main house. It's because I've said something different. Might have been an ice house or something. Yeah, I think it slipped right through there and get around. We're going to check that as soon as I get done with this. Yeah, weird on, there's a hole right here too. If you can see it. Probably not because it's so funky, but yeah, right over there. And we'll try to slip in there. That could be another small outbuilding or something. I don't know. Several things I'm sure were gone by the time 1870s maps were made. There's some stuff over there too, right there. I don't know if I'll be able to get to that. But yeah, this is a big boxwood. Or whatever they're called, but you know what I mean. Hedgerow. And this is a vine. Is that crazy? Here's my hand. That's a big vine. Look at this thing. It just goes berserk. I think this is dead. It's broken, so yeah. But yeah. Anyway, massive stuff back here. See, there's just, no, I hear geese. Did you hear them? Water's over here, all the way around, kind of over in this area. Then it goes on out to the. Cool. All right, so I'm in this little depression here. It's full of aluminum cans and stuff. There is another boxwood tree. I mean, that's going there 30 foot. But yeah, that's just a boxwood. Got away from somebody. Crazy. Probably 200 years old, maybe a little more. Who knows? So anyway, I'm going to try to get over in here. This is the other side of the boxwoods. They're behind me now. Just try to get in this area. It's a hill right here. So, I don't know. All right, hit a 79. Crazy, bouncy around tone. Man, I don't know if that's a large center or not. Feels too late. It's right on top there, so. Well, it wasn't deep, I guess. I don't know. That's a dandy button. Crazy. It's just a little smaller. What's that in the middle? Did I say the GW? Maybe, but probably not. That's what we want them to say, but they don't normally say anything. They're hermits of the button world. Yeah, no idea. Not in the best shape, but we'll polish her up a little bit when we get home. Crazy, man, that was a terrible sound. Like, And I was like, But it seemed deep, so I dug her up, and that's what we ended up with. Cool find. 84. Can't see it. Right there. Ah. Right in the center. That's pretty cool. This isn't very far from the other button. It's about the same size, just a little bit better shape. We'll compare them here in a minute. Look at that crust on there, though. It's just good on there. Well, there's the other one. So right here, I'll clean this up a teeny bit, and I'll compare the two. There's some other targets in here that could be buttons. I just haven't fooled with them yet. I was trying to get my best signals out. I think that one's bigger. Yeah. So the bigger one's a little bit older. Just because it is. So this one here is probably 1800s. And this one's probably 1700s. Neither one of them are cleaning up too well. Some crappy dirt back in here. It's like that stuff stays on. Yeah, I never had one I couldn't clean up. But button. Alright. We just stumbled across a bucket list item. Some will already know because I've never found one. But there it is, my stirrup. My very first stirrup. Yep. I feel important or something now. I don't know. Cool. I think they was little people. No, they don't even fit my foot. And these boots ain't that big at all. Well, this one's going to get cleaned up super good. I'm not going to beat and bang on this. I really have been wanting one of these for a bit. I don't know if I just don't like digging that signal, but this was a loud screamer, so back in here. There are some tin cans here and there, but that didn't sound like a tin can. Stirrup. Whoop whoop. From a horse. Alright, just for the record, this was also in the hole. So I'm guessing this is what I heard magnified by the round stirrup that was in there. Crazy, huh? Shotgun. Alright, 72. Might have me a little buckle to go with my stirrup, which was back there. Not too far away. A lot of weird signals right in here, so it could be some stuff like that here. This could have been a barn. I haven't made it to this wall I've seen over here yet, but I'm going to go that way soon. Section of the house right here, see the bricks. Then there's a corner right there. I've not been back in here at all. See, the basement's way over there yet. That's a huge home. That might be a cornerstone over there. See it? Let me see. Into things that light one. Let's zoom. Can't tell. I'll check it out at some point. I think no. Let's see. These are mortar covered bricks, corners. Oh, that's what the end is. All right, well, we'll check that out when we get over there. Dude, that there is for real. Do you see that big green thing? I don't know if that's a button or what, but man, you see how huge that is. That's huge. You might bring it out the whole way. Let me see. It was hard to get because of all the iron in there, really. Shoot, I'm going to go in there and get it, girl. Boys and girls. Look at that dandy. I think that's what it is. This is a watch piece. Heck on. There's the house right here. I went in a different direction. Huh. Look at the backing on that. A little bit different. Huh, this has been reattached, but this is a big one. Mosquito. This is a dandy. For real. Oh hell, I guess it's got a hole in it. Oh, it's got two holes. The deer right over here. They're trying to get through this stuff, get away from me. Look at that, somebody has holed a dandy. They use it, I guess the thing broke off. Has anybody found one of those before? Very interesting. I think there's a squatch in these woods. Anyway, how cool was that? Never found one of those either. Another item. Dandies galore. Okay, still got my stirrup. I almost covered that hole up. I ain't kidding. I dug through it, moved all the iron out. Still couldn't hit it, but pinpointer hit something all the way down to the very bottom. This hole on the edge of the hole. Like right there. That's where it come from, right in that little spot where that brick is. Oh, there's a dirt clod. Where it is setting. L. Cool. Look, there's the two holes marks right there in the little. You see that crap? Let me get you up here. That's really cool. Those are the holes that were punched out in the little thingy on the back. Neat, huh? Back to your hole. Alright. Alright, my batteries are dying fast, but check those out. They just come out of the same hole. Sure it's some kind of a buckle or something piece, but I'm not sure. Look at that square nail though. A nice rose head. Pretty. I gotta get sifting in there or something. There's a lot of goodies in there. Alright, here we go. This is what a 99 looks like on the Deus.
What is this thing doing?
We got an 86 over here.
Somewhere.
Captain Bobby's on.
That don't make no sense. Look at that.
That's right, he's just right underneath there. Pick it up.
Maybe.
Big old handful.
There ain't nothing there but the bottom of the ground. Oh, yeah, it is too.
What is it?
Look at that there. My. We got to clean it off with our...
You get a penny?
No, I think it's smaller. It might be a penny.
Indian head, maybe? Indian. Is it fat? It's got wings on it. That's the best thing.
It's a penny. Can't see nothing, though.
What's on the back? A reef?
Yeah.
Nope, that's a daggone wheat cent. Dang!
1 cent. It's yours anyway, you want it?
That's the face of sadness right there.
No, it ain't.
Alright, we got something else here. A little 74. I think it's the back of a watch or something. Or something. I ain't gonna say because out of battery. I've been here so long. That's got a little hole in it. No idea. I'll put it in my pocket. turns out to be cool. We'll open her back up. This stuff, well, there you go. A little bit of gold right there on the edge. Not going to scrape anymore. It's a nice button right there. There he is. He's in the cellar hole. Windmill over here, not behind the sink. There's the well pit for the, over here, that's for the well. The metal over there is the blades and the pipe that went to it. There was a big old pump motor over there somewhere too, but yeah, she must fell right in place. Get the squirrel, boy. All you see is silver. There we go. He's got him at 80, between 83 and 87. On the pointer plow. Oh, I just seen a corner or something.
Right here.
Right there. Yep.
Leaf.
Nope, you hit it. It's going.
Where? Oh. Bleeding. Look, folks. Gotta do it for the cause.
We did it. Silver? Penny.
Gold. It's gold.
Yeah,
We're thinking gold here today.
That's what we need.
Yeah, it's a penny.
Yeah, not one of them dudes.
Yeah.
Dang it. And we are still out here digging. Let's see what do we got here. Oh, it's a button. I'm button. Is it? Or is it a coin? Huh. Not going to say yet. It's really thin. Yeah, it's a button. Pretty certain. But cool. We've come out of the craziness and we're out here now. So there's a button. There's the bob. Let's get it on. All right, flat, round, pointy. Let's see what we got. It's 88. Oh, I've seen these before. As a matter of fact, I was just looking at one in the book. And it's old. Is it a lock? I think that's what it was. I've had multiple pieces of it. Yeah, it's a lock. An old one. Pretty sure that's what it was. Well, cool. That's nice.